Okay, thank you very much. So, well, we are the first of the IDS teams that have been working with the information delivery specification. And this is our team. Most of us come from Modelical, which is a company based in Spain. And Joao has joined us, is a researcher in the Universidad de Minho, Portuguese. So what we have done, we have called it like .NET IDS research. The challenge, this was the challenge. It's build an user interface that makes IDS as easy as an iPhone app. For most people, the best UI is an iPhone. For us, is more like this: is black screens and so. So this is far from an iPhone app, but we wanted to create our objective. Well, it's fully available in the GitHub project. So we have been working with Git for the collaboration. The main difficulties that we have for this using cutting-edge technology instead of JSON files de toda la vida. It's the XML. As you know, the IDS is based on the XML schema. So we dealt mainly with XML serializer and deserializers built some years ago. But surprisingly, it went well, and we can use them for exchanging information between elements. So this is the whiteboard slide. Okay, here we have the application. Okay, basically what we have here is a web app with a tutorial with front end and back end connected somehow with IDS and APIs for Excel and IFC. We split the work this way. This is how our team was organized, and the technologies used depends on the site. So for the IFC reader, we used XBeam Toolkit. Obviously, the IFC, it's fully written in C#. And for the Excel, we used Excel data reader. For the exchanging, we used IDS. In the web app, we started the project in Figma, then jump into React, and the backend is fully written in TypeScript. What we have built so far, well, we have built a console application that can run headless for converting IFC to IDS. You select the path of the IFC, it runs in local, and it generates an IDS. We have limited the scope to the rooms, so we extract all the room information from the IFC and creates an IDS with all the rooms with their application scope and all their properties as a requirement. So you can extract an IDS from scratch from an IFC. This is the first reader, and we created another one that the final output is the same. It's an IDS that comes from an Excel. So you have all the rooms and all the attribute requirements in an IDS form. You select the sheet. And then we create a web app. Okay, and in the web app, we have been able to load and parse IDS. This is due to time. We have a mocked user interface prepared firstly prepared in Figma and then jumped into React. So I think that we all know what are the next steps here, which is just put the front end into the back end and connect everything and run headless the converter if you need to. But the console app works, so it's great for us. It has been like a great learning. So what we have learned so far for the Modelical team, we work in different projects, and it has been a great opportunity to share coding time, fun, and pain. Met a lot of new and old friends. The IDS format, we think that can replace JSON files for some information requirements exchange workflows. IFC models themselves can be used as requirements. This is the point of the project, I think. maybe they are the best user interface that a manager can have. As the IDS plus IFC can replace our closed JSON plus Revit all checking system that we have in the company, and contributing to the open source community is easy if you have a GitHub. And I have the best team possible. It sounds like a shitty team building slogan, but I really feel that way.